What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Gold is sitting at very critical level right now on March 3rd, 2026, and I am going to break down exactly what is happening and give you three clear trade setup with full entry, stop loss, and take profit level that I am considering for my trading. Stay till the end because the third setup is the most powerful one for today that I would be looking for my trade. Let's get into it. I'm currently at 1 hour chart. Let's start with the big picture. Since February 15th, gold has been a strong bullish trend. Price pushed around from 4,900 level to all the way up to 5,430. That is roughly a $530 move to the upside, which is massive for gold. But now looking at today's March 3rd, 2026 price action on 5 minute chart. Let me change my chart to 5 minutes. Gold opened strong, pushed up around 5,450 in the early session, and then we saw a sharp sell-off that brought price all the way down to 5,278. That is today's low, and it is sitting right on the key demand zone. As of right now, price is hovering around 5,314, essentially caught in the middle between support and resistance, and that is exactly the kind of scenario where clean trades setup form. Before the trade setup, let's mark out the key level because those levels are your roadmap for today's session. Resistance zone 5,380 to 5,400. Major resistance zone. This is where the big rejection came from. And then 5,340 is the intraday supply zone. Seller have been active here. 5,240 to 5,250 is the major support level. High volume demand area is below and in this support level 5,240 to 50. As long gold is holding above 5,280, bulls are still in control. A break and close below the level opens the door to 5,240. Keep that in mind throughout the session. Trade idea 1, buy the dip. The first setup is a buy the dip, and that is the most straightforward setup for today. If gold pulls back down to 5,280 zone again to 5,290 zone, we see a bullish confirmation candle. Then if we see a bullish confirmation candle like a bullish engulfing or a pin bar, that is my buy signal. This is the same zone that gave us today's low, and buyer responded very aggressively from here. So the entry for my trade will be 5,280 to 5,290. My target one would be 5,255. My target two would be 5,330. My target three would be 5,365 to 70. My target four would be 5,400. My stop loss would be 5,255. So here is the summary. Buy in the 5,280 to 5,290 zone, but wait for the confirmation candle. Do not just buy blindly into the zone because without confirmation, you are guessing, not trading. And place your stop loss below 5,255. And now let's analyze the trade idea to sell from resistance. The second setup is sell from resistance, and this one is for trader who like to trade with the current intraday momentum. Right now, the short-term momentum is bearish. If gold bounce up to 5,340, to 5,350 supply zone, and we get a bearish rejection candle there, a doji, a shooting star, or a bearish engulfing. That is your short signal. This area has acted as resistance multiple times, and sellers have been consistent from there. So my entry would be around 5,340 to 50. My stop loss would be 5,375. My target one would be 5,300. My target 2 would be 5,278. My target 3 would be 5,250. Trade idea 3, breakout buy. The third setup is the most aggressive and potentially the most rewarding one. This is breakout buy. If gold pushes above 5,380 and we get a clean 1 hour candle close above that level, that is a major breakout signal. Why? Because 5,380 to 5,400 has been the ceiling holding gold back. Once that breaks, all the sell side stop losses sitting above will get triggered, which creates buying pressure and accelerate the move upward. Traders call this as a stop run rally. So my entry would be 5,282. My stop loss would be 5,355. My target 1 would be 5,415. My target 2 would be 5,440. My target 3 would be 5,475. The rule here is simple. You need a full 1 hour candle body to close above 5,380. A weak booking above is not enough. You need to full close. That filters out false breakout. All right, let's quickly recap the 3 setup for today. Buy the dip, entry would be around 5,280. Sell the resistance, entry would be 5,340 to 50. Trade setup 3, breakout buy, entry above 5,382, and we need to close on our, we need the 1 hour lead candle close above that level. Remember, always use your stop loss. A trading plan without a stop loss is not a plan, it is a gamble. Protect your capital first and then the profit will follow. If this analysis was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a daily gold update. Drop a comment below and let me know which setup you are taking today. The deep buy, the resistance sale, or waiting on the breakout. I read every single comment. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and I will see you in the next one. Good luck out there.